I was in my college alumni meet when the principal came on the stage and then he started doing this. I welcome all the students to this alumni meet. It has been great that all of you have come. You guys are the reputation of this institution. You have done great things. You have got great jobs. Now you have come to help your students. No, never ever go on the stage and just read in a monotone. Okay, never ever do that. Don't read in a monotone. You could start like, I welcome all the students today for this alumni meet. You have to have that eye contact with them. It is a great pleasure to have you all over here. You have got great jobs and now you have come back to guide the juniors, right? That's how you make an eye contact. You have the connection. You slow down the speed of reading. You make some pauses, right, when you talk to the students so that they can understand, right? As a public speaker, when you stand there and talk, never ever read in a monotone. Today, this. No, don't do that. First mistake, okay? Don't just read directly from paper. Yes, you can have hand notes, but don't read in the monotone. That's the first mistake. Second mistake. I had been to a career counseling wherein many experts had come to guide students to how to find a great career and have a great career. In that meeting, on the stage, we had a PhD holder who had come and explained about agriculture and PhD and the advantages of career in agricultural farming, right? So what happened was after 5-6 minutes, none of the students were paying any attention to what he was saying. And suddenly he lost his control. You idiots! You fools! You don't know! I'm telling you something important. Can't you guys focus? Guess what happened? Within a second, the crowd started woo, woo, woo. And suddenly the coordinators had to ensure that a good speaker goes after that, and then they have to talk about it, right? We have to get back the speakers from the stage, right? So don't ever go on the stage and put down your audience. You might have a PhD holder, you might be a double doctorate, you might have written a book, right? But never ever try to go on the stage and put down the audience. Ensure that you develop a way to connect with the audience. The PhD holder was not connecting with the audience. He had a great subject. He just had to sit and prepare a good speech and connect with the audience. Never ever go and put down your audience. That's the second mistake. Third one. Okay. Imagine you have got an opportunity to go and talk with some other experts. Okay. Most of the times I see here, right? People come on the stage and go, okay, fine. Thank you for giving this opportunity, but I don't think I'm worthwhile. There are so many more experts. No, never ever go on the stage and put down yourself. Saying, I'm not worthy. These guys are experts. I am hopeless. No, don't do that. If you think you're not worthwhile, then don't go on that stage, right? Audience will think, oh, if this person thinks it's not worthwhile, why should I sit and listen even to him? That's how the crowd thinks. So never go on the stage and tell you're not worthwhile. So if there are other experts that, yeah, I'm excited to be a part of this great committee. So many experts, I'm sharing the stage with them. I'm feeling so happy about it. Okay. Okay. So sometimes people, the speakers, by putting themselves down, they're trying to get some warning points. No. Okay. Then most of the speakers, what I see, right, when they have a presentation, they're like, see, it is there on the PPT. 5 points are on the PPT. Read it. See the PPT. PPT, PPT, PPT. If it is only PPT, then what is your advantage? What is your value addition? Right? There's a point on the PPT. You have to talk about it. There should be a time when you're going to make the PPT blank and talk about it. If you just keep saying PPT, 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 then they'll say, bye bye PPT. Bye bye you. Never go on the stage and just keep reading PPT, PPT, PPT. Okay? Use the PPT as a tool. It is a tool. It is not the speaker. You are the speaker. You are the person who's going to solve the problems. So understand what's in PPT. Take that complex idea, simplify it and give it to your audience. That's your job. How can you solve the problem? How can you reduce the time to do something with your skills, right? With your abilities as a speaker? How can your knowledge and experience help them? That's important. Okay? The fifth mistake that people make. So they come on the stage and tell, I am not prepared. Sorry, I'm not prepared. I don't think I can do a great job. Even though the person is prepared for like 5-6 times, he's trying to put himself down. He or she is trying to say, I'm not prepared. No, never ever go on stage and say, I'm not prepared. If you're not prepared, don't stand on this stage. Is the look in audience eyes. We don't want to see you if you're not prepared. And we are sitting here to listen to you. Then you should come prepared. Right? Steve Jobs used to prepare hours and hours and hours and days and for days and for weeks for a presentation of a launch of the product. How many hours are you putting in preparation? TED Talk speakers, they rehearse at least 100+ times and come and give a TED Talk. How much effort are you making to prepare? Okay, so these are some of the mistakes people make, right? As a public speaker, my friends, right, our job is to help the audience understand something. Take something complex, simplify it, give them a message, get them to action, make them confident, help them learn something. right? This is our job. Don't ever go on the stage and make these mistakes. You might have a great message with you, but if you're making these mistakes, people will not listen to you, they'll not connect with you. And if people don't connect with you, then they will not learn anything from you. These are some of the tips on public speaking 5 mistakes. Okay, please do like, share, and subscribe. This is Arham Faraaz. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. I wish you all become a great public speaker.